All right, and now for the last problem on the test review. Number 9 is again, we did it in the homework, so I've got it worked there, but I wanted to do it here too. We've got a certain length of pipe, and that we can set up standing waves. If it's closed at one end and open at another, like possibly an organ pipe, then you can have a node and an antinode. And so he gives us the frequency and the velocity. So the wavelength is based on the pipe. And we can get the wavelength, in this case, because we know velocity and frequency. Remember, velocity is frequency times wavelength. So we get the wavelength, and then we say, well, node to antinode is a quarter of a wave. So only the smallest or largest wave that would fit in there is when you got 1/4. So your length is a quarter of the pipe. The next one would be if you put a node. So you would have, a node here, an antinode, a node, and so you always got to have an antinode and a node on a pipe like this. If it's open at both ends, then you've got antinodes at both ends. So the smallest one with an antinode at both ends is going to give you a node in the middle, and remember each one of these is a quarter of a wave. So we got 2 quarter waves, or the length of the string is half the wavelength of the pipe. Like I said in the other video, some of you are going to have the string, some of you are going to have the closed pipe and the open or open pipe. So that'll do it for the test review. That's all the problems, and I'll be seeing you in the next section.